In this video, I'll show you how to create logos for free using Nano Banana. To begin, we need to access Nano Banana. You can do that either in Google AI Studio or Gemini. I prefer to do it in Gemini, so I'm going to use it for this video. So once you open Gemini, click on Tools and select Create Images with this banana icon. Then type your prompt. I'm going to paste mine and then we will go over it. So we begin by typing a logo for, then we're going to describe the theme of our channel or brand, any specific colors or shapes you want to include. I'm going for a gaming channel theme, so I've typed a logo for a gaming channel themed in red, blue and black colors, bear on avatar looking to the left in a side profile. Again, if you don't include details like that, it will just come out random. Then I've included without text, because I don't want the text to be included inside of the logo. But if you want yours to include the text, tell it the name of the channel and it will automatically include the text inside of your logo. And then I finished it off with isolated on a black background. If there are any extra details you want to include, add them before the isolated on a black background part. Then click submit, and this is the result that we get. If you don't like the result, you can tell it to create a different version by typing create a different version. And it will create a slightly different logo based on that same prompt. Or if you like the overall look of the logo but want to make a slight adjustment to it, you can tell the AI to do that. So let's say I don't want the bear to be angry, I want to make it happy. So let's type that, make the bear look happy, and now we have a happy looking bear on our logo. You can also add a glowing effect to the logo by typing add glowing outline, and now we get a glowing logo. We can also change the theme completely, so for example, if I wanted to replace the bear with an evil skull, I can do that. And now we get a completely different logo with a skull. So the possibilities here are pretty much endless. You can tell it to do whatever you want with the logo. But one important thing to keep in mind is that you should do one adjustment at a time. Do not create long and complicated prompts asking it to do multiple things at the same time. It just works better that way when you give it individual tasks one by one. And once you create the logo that you're happy with, click download full size and use the logo whatever you want.